Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail for you and I'm so excited because I have now learned it is better to order your Lights Planner action inserts sooner than you think you need to order them. They came just in time. I just ran out of my health inserts. Like it was like right to the button there. But I thought I'd go through. I did not get any blackout inserts, but she did include the Tiny Notes and pen tester, which is pretty fun. So I might test that out and maybe I will indulge in some blackout spreads. She always does a journaling card. I'm not turning it over just because I'm not a huge fan of curse words. Like it's a funny card, but not really my jam on my channel. So but what's on the back of it is all of the sizes that she sells, which is pretty awesome. So there is that. I'm gonna leave this one to the side. The health inserts are the same health inserts I've been using. I haven't changed that part up. So we'll just do a quick little, I'll show you kind of the inside. I got the doodle one again. I think it's super cute. I do have to punch them for my Happy Planner. I got Happy Planner size. But I will say, so this is the 1 week I didn't have them, like they came on Monday. So technically this would have been the week, but I didn't have time to film until today, which is Wednesday. So there's that. So I'm skipping this week, but I have missed going through and like marking things. Just saying. So that's my health inserts. And you get approximately 3 months. Kind of give or take, depending how many weeks each month is. I decided to change up my business planner and try the influential plans, only because I wasn't using all of the aspects of the executive plan inserts. So this one you get, I got it dated. The health inserts were not dated. I don't know how to use this page. Does anybody know how to use this page? Anyone? Bueller? Let me know. So then we got April. So you got your monthly. And then you have kind of like a shop deal, new releases. So this part is pretty similar to the executive plans, but this was kind of at the back of the executive plans. I like that it's like right there. And then you have your weekly, and this has like Facebook, Instagram. I'm not sure what this one's supposed to be, maybe Snapchat or TikTok. I don't use those. But I like how this is laid out. I'm interested to try it. So in my executive plans, I was using the sidebar for YouTube and then this part for my Facebook VIP group and business page. And then down here, I was using it for Instagram. So I'll get to rework things a little bit, but I'm interested to see how this works. So that is how this guy looks. And it's the same the rest of the inserts. This is a 3 month or a quarterly. So it goes till June. Again, I got to punch it for my Happy Planner. And then last but not least, I'm very excited for this one. This one is actually going to go in my reading journal. And we're going to flip through this one a little more in depth just because it's different. I didn't mean to get it punched for rings. I did put a note, but when I read my note, I was like, oh, that didn't make any sense at all. No wonder she punched it. It was totally my bad. I'm still going to try and Happy Planner punch it. I might have to cover the holes with washi. I don't know. We're going to see. But this is, I got to double check. It's a B6 ring size. And it is the mental notes. So the first thing you get is these anxiety affirmations, and I like that it says use these affirmations as a guidepost when you need to redirect your anxious thoughts. It says smile, breathe, and go slowly. I am allowed to feel anxious and to move past anxiety. I choose to not take it personally. I love myself deeply and unconditionally. I can take things one step at a time. I need to like frame this and put it in my classroom. With every breath, I release the anxiety within me and I become more and more calm. I am loved. I am exactly where I am right now because that is where I need to be. When this is over, I'll be so proud of myself. There's another page of this we'll get to in a little bit. So then you have your month, very tiny. And then I liked the monthly pep talk. My intention, why I remained focused, things I love about myself, self-care ideas, happy thoughts, and notes. I think this is so cute. I think it's going to work super well in my reading journal. Here is the weekly, and here's why I got it. So in the health planner, it has the section to do moods, and I just found like, I don't know, that's the only part of the health insert that it's not really working for me. I like that there's just a box I can write in what my mood is. I like that I can track the weather, activity, mood, breakfast, lunch, dinner. There's not a spot for snacks, and I do like snacks. But I might take away hydrate because I don't track that as much. Or I'll put my snacks down here. Maybe I'll cover up this box and this will be my meal box. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this goes Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday's here. Next week, I love that you can write some self-care ideas here. Sleep I can track, and then healthy habits, which is where I would put like my vitamin D, the stuff that I would normally put in my health insert. So that's week 1. And then you have like a little coloring page. Steps are steps no matter how small. And then a weekly reflection, mental notes, weekly win. Next week I'll focus more on, and then favorite memory. Then you get another week. So that's 2 weeks. I didn't go through this, so that's why I'm going through it with you. 3 weeks. 4 weeks. Then this is your 5th week, yes. Reflection, yep. So you get about a month in an insert. So I'll have to order the, if I find that I like this, I'm starting it in April. I'll have to make sure I order it sooner than later. I like that it has the breathe. My mom and I were practicing this when I got it because you know me, I have no chill. I've already opened and looked at everything. Reset your breath with box breathing. I just think it's such a nice little reminder. More coloring pages, and then more anxiety affirmations. I am safe. I am anxious and have the ability to cope. I am stronger than I think. This feeling will pass. I am cool, calm, and collected. Every breath I inhale calms me, and every breath I exhale takes away tension. This is only temporary. I overcome my feelings and live life courageously. I am not my thoughts and feelings, and they do not have to bring me down. I think that's just so great. And then there's these cute little note pages at the end. Like, I think they're going to be perfect. I'm not going to punch these on camera because I feel like I'm going to make a mistake. So this is 1 month, and I'm either going to stick with it, like, I'm going to put it in my reading journal because I keep that by my bed, and I think this will be a perfect, like, wind down at bedtime insert to use. You probably won't see it again except for like when I do my reading journal update. I'm probably not going to film any decorating in it. If I do, I mean, kudos. Awesome. So these are my happy mail from Light to Planner Action. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.